Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 10C, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I will be using settings as an example for this. And once the content is open and visible, press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a sound along with this animation right here the first time around. This will stick around, but once you tap anywhere on the screen, it will disappear after like about a second, and anytime afterwards it won't be giving you this kind of like guide on what you can do here. So while this is sticking around, I'm gonna quickly go into the two options that are here. So we can send the screenshot that I have just captured, or we can capture a longer version of the screenshot. Now this will override the original one, which will be visible right here. So if you want to keep, for instance, two of them, like this one and a long version, then you have to capture two, or you can just replace this one with a long one. As you can see, it starts scrolling. You can tap on the screen to stop it from scrolling, and you can scroll it down yourself with a little bit more precision, however far down you want. From there, click on done and the check mark right up here, and this will save our screenshot. Now the screenshot that I have captured can be located in the Photos application, and it will be visible in the Photos, as you can see right here, but you can also find it in Albums under Screenshots. And there we go. So that is how you can capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.